how to add birth date in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set it up. First of all, open the application. Now here on the laptop, simply tap on your profile icon. So here we're in this profile settings. Here you'll be able to see different information related to your profile. Now on the right top there's a drop down button. Simply tap on this settings and here simply select on info. So this is the place where you can customize your birth date. Simply tap on birthday and here you can update your birthday. Here you can select the month and the year easily. So here you can easily tap on it and you can even share it among your friends or only to yourself. So you can select the one and at last simply tap on confirm and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.